Wow, Huntrix noodles! Our noodles turned into a house! Look, there are a few secret packs here. I wonder what's inside. And here we have the beauty, Zoey!
Hi, everyone.
I'll put Zoey right here and grab the next pack. Who's in the second one? And it's Mira!
Wow!
Stand over here. And I'll open the third pack. Ooh, I really hope it's Roomie. Opening it. What? Zoey again? You don't look anything like Roomie. So that means it's makeover time. First, let's trim the hair, the buns and the strands around the face. This is how it looks now. Next, I grab some acrylic paints and dye the hair purple. Now it's time to style it. I apply glue over the painted hair and attach purple yarn. Roomie has a long braid. Now it looks way more like Roomie. Time to move on to the outfit. I take some paper tape and cut a small piece to shape a Roomie style top. I put it on the doll, then make sleeves out of yellow tape and shape a jacket. Now for the bottom. I cut a piece of blue tape and turn it into a long skirt. And here are our besties, Zoey, Roomie, and Mira. Now I'm gonna set up rooms for them, starting with Roomie's room. I take this soft purple print, I add the floor inside the house. Now let's make a window, and I stick it right in the center using double-sided tape. Wow, but where am I supposed to sit? Let's make you a cool couch. I'll need a round kitchen sponge. Trace a circle and cut it out. Now I take a needle and thread and sew around the edge of the fabric in a circle. I put the sponge inside and pull it tight. We've got a cushion.
Yay!
I take the lid from a round container, place it on pink foam sheet, trace it, and cut it out. Then I glue it onto the lid. I place the sponge cushion on top. I take 2 big plastic lids, cover them with the same glitter foam, close the bottoms with lilac felt, and glue them to the sides of the bed using hot glue. Next, I take a sturdy curved piece with soft padding, trim the edges, and glue it on top, connecting the 2 sides. I decorate the arch with pink foam and add a fluffy backrest. I also have some gold soft fabric. I fold it in half, add soft stuffing inside, and glue it shut. Look at these decorative pillows. Our headphone-shaped bed is ready. Let's put it in Roomie's room. This bed is so cool.
Wow!
And it's super soft. Amazing. And Derpy loves it too. What do you have there? This is fuse beads. I take the purple pieces and spell out the name Roomie, letter by letter. I'll add a light pink base underneath. For the final touch, I cover it with a sheet of paper and iron it really well. A custom name tabletop. Now let's add the legs. I'll make them using cotton swabs and glitter tape. I cut off the cotton ends on both sides, then wrap the sticks with purple tape. I add hot glue to the legs and place the tabletop on top. I also made a frame out of fuse beads, and now I'll add foil tape inside. It turns into a mirror. I'll put it on the table. Perfect.
Wow!
And here's a little chair too. So, Roomie, how do you like your room? Wow, it's gorgeous. And the table, it has my name on it. Thank you. Do you like my room? If yes, write awesome DIY in the comments. Time to decorate Zoey's room. First, I cover the wall with this blueprint and add a blue floor. I use blue pipe cleaners to make baseboards. I brought us some noodles. Perfect. Let's turn it into a bed. I take the round noodle block, cover it with white foam sheet, and decorate it with a red ribbon. Next, I grab some regular socks, cut off the ends on both sides, fill them with soft stuffing, and glue them together with hot glue. These make cute decorative pillows. Now I draw some greens on green felt with a marker and cut them out. A little decor for the bed. Whoa, it's a fortune cookie! And inside, fluffy white fabric. And glue a yellow pom-pom on top. Done! I'll cover the second part of the wall with soundproof material.
Wow, this bed is so cool! And the fried egg blanket. It's so comfy.
Let's add a window with a sunset view and posters of Zoey with baby Saja.
I love it!
Wow!
But where am I supposed to sit?
Let's make you a soft poof. I take pipe cleaners and with hot glue to form a circle. Then I shape it into a rectangle and wrap it with fluffy pipe cleaners to cover the center. Right now it looks more like a long rug, but I'll roll it up into a poof. Next, I take a few pipe cleaners in different colors, twist and secure them, and cover the poof. And top it with a slice of red fish. And here it is, a sushi roll poof.
Wow, that's so cool!
Let's add some speakers and a microphone.
Perfect, now I can practice.
Oh, shine on me. I walk in light that never fades. A spark that cuts through darker shades. No shadows dare to stay.
Now let's move on to Mira's room. I cover the walls with a pink brick print and add a pink floor. Ooh, this is totally my style. But where am I supposed to store my clothes? Let's make you a walk-in closet. For this craft, a small plastic box works perfectly. I add outfit printouts inside. The inside needs decorating too. I coat it with glue, attach red foam sheet, add the Huntrix logo, a Mira sticker, and a handle. And here's the closet. You can pick an outfit now, Mira. Whoa, there's so much stuff in here. Maybe this dress? Oh, that's so cringe. Totally not my style. Then how about this coat? It looks amazing on you. But how am I supposed to see myself? There isn't a single mirror here. Don't worry, I've got this. I'll need some air-dried clay, beige, purple, and pink, plus metallic tape and a piece of cardboard. I'm using cardboard from a rhinestone package. I peel off the rhinestones and cut away the extra. Now I take the metallic tape, remove the backing, and stick it onto the cardboard. Using scissors, I shape it into a decorative mirror shape. Next, I roll small colorful clay balls, arrange them into flower shapes, and use a pin to press little details into the petals. I'll need lots of these flowers. Now I add hot glue around the mirror frame and decorate it with our flowers. Oh, it turned out so pretty. Wow, what a mirror! Now I can try on all my outfits. Let's hang a Huntrix logo in the room too. I place shrink plastic on top and trace all the details with a permanent marker. I hold the plastic in place so it doesn't slide and the logo stays neat. Now I color the inner parts with a bright blue marker. Time to cut it out. What do you think, Mira? Whoa, it's huge! Don't worry, we can make it smaller really fast. Just put the shrink plastic logo into the oven for a few minutes. Look how quickly it shrinks. Done! Now we can hang it on the wall. That's perfect. Phew, remodeling is exhausting. Then let's make you a chill zone. I'll need a bag of marshmallows. I thread the marshmallows one by one onto regular wire and twist it. Now I take 3 bigger marshmallows and put them on toothpicks to form a triangle. Using toothpicks, I attach our poof to it. Add a backrest and pink heart-shaped pillows. Wow, what an amazing poof! It fits the room perfectly. Thank you. The room turned out great. I've got a poof to relax on, a mirror, our group logo, and a cool walk-in closet. Can we add a poster with my photo too?
Yes.
Let's hang your poster here and add a few more Huntrix posters as well. This is amazing. Wow, this is our living room. Yep, let's decorate the wall with yellow wallpaper from a printout and add a pink floor.
We want a couch!
Yes.
Oh, I'm out of craft materials.
So what do we do?
Oh my God.
I've got an idea. Mira, look. It's mystery. Wow, so much popcorn. Just enough to make a couch and glue it into the corner of the room using hot glue. First, I build the seat, then the backrest. Now I cut a few small pieces from a popcorn box and glue them along the bottom, on the sides, and on top of the backrest. I finish it off with 2 fluffy pillows. Wow, our couch is so cool. Girls, don't forget, Christmas is coming. Right! Let's add a cozy fireplace to your room. First, I'll paint it red. Highlight a few details. In the center, I decorate the fireplace with a Huntrix photo, and of course, I hang Christmas stockings for presents. It's time to make the main symbol of Christmas, a Christmas tree. I make a cone-shaped base out of yellow paper, then I take green chenille pipe cleaners, fold one end, and cut it off. I'll need lots of these little pieces. Now I start placing all the fluffy pieces like this. I glue them tightly next to each other. First one circle, then the next, all the way to the top. I gently bend each piece upward to make the tree look extra fluffy. I take white and red chenille pipe cleaners, twist them together, and bend one end. I cut off the extra. I make 3 of them and hang them on the tree. I also add more decorations, and of course, a big red bow on top. Look how cute this Christmas tree turned out. I'll add a few more holiday decorations to the room. Wow,
It's so beautiful. It feels so festive.
I've got one more thing for you. I trim this red piece of felt and make a cone-shaped base. I fold the top edge and decorate the bottom with fluffy white cord. I twist some white chenille pipe cleaner. And here's a little Santa hat. All right, girls, try them on.
Yay, we're so cool. Iconic.
I don't know about you, but I'm definitely feeling the holiday vibes now. How about we sing something?
Yes, let's do it.
Starlight running through the glow. Catch the moment, never let it go. Hearts are racing, time is flying. Feel the spark, the world's igniting. Snowfall, supernova, shining bright. The night's not over.
Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed our noodle house craft. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.